Welcome everyone, today we're drawing Cute Cartoon Gingerbread Man. Let's begin in the center page and draw 2 circles for the eyes. Now we want to start with the one on the left, start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye, coming in. Add an even smaller circle on the bottom right, and we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's move to the center and draw a curve for the mouth, coming down and then up. Just round out the ends, and trace the mouth across the bottom. Let's move down in the center and draw a circle for the bow tie. From the top, angle it up and then out. Come down towards the bottom and do the same thing. And then round out the outside. Let's go to the left side of our bow tie and draw a large circle for the head. Let's drip some frosting across the top of the head, starting from the left, come down and up. Just going to draw this way going around. And we'll add some sprinkles across the top with these little circles. From the bottom of the head, let's draw the arms. We're going to angle this up and then out. Round out the hands, and then pull that back in towards the side of the body. Let's come down and out along the side of the leg. Round up the bottom and just pull that back up towards the middle. Let's add some frosting across the arms and the legs. With an S shape going around. Step in and then just trace that along the inside. Work our way across the bottom of the legs. Now add 2 circles in the center of the body for the buttons. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a gingerbread man. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.